Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. Today we are going to learn about the manipulators that are used in C++. Manipulators used in C++. The most common types of manipulators that we use in C++ are handle and setw, and the header file used with the manipulators is iomanip.h. This header file is used with manipulators. Now first of all we must know that what are the manipulators. It is actually a command in C++ that is used for formatted output. Okay, it actually modifies the output in various ways, uh, like NL is used to create a new line feed, and set width it's used to organize your data in it sets the field width and organize your data, and your display looks good. So we can use for organized way of our output. We can use these manipulators where and when we are required for them. So let's use them in our program. Hash include conio.h, and always remember that if you are going to use handle manipulator, you don't need to add header file with it. But when you are going to use any other manipulators like setw, you will include the file iomanip.h. Okay, and if you are going to use just handle for a new line feed, you don't need to enter any header file with it. Okay, using namespace std, sorry, the error occur here. This terminator, then starting from my main function, um, first of all let's uh, write any statement using cout, like cout hello world. This terminator cout I am alive. I have printed these two lines, as I'm going to print these two lines, and let's see how my program will look like. uh, I'm saving this file as manipulators. Save. Now execute, compile and run. Now you can see executing. Hello world, I am alive. Now you can see the text that I wrote here is in two lines, but the display is in a single line. So for this purpose, I can use a manipulator. Anywhere I want to put a new line, like here I want to put a new line, I will add this insertion operator, then I will type enter. Wherever this will be encountered by the compiler, it will produce a new line. Now let's see what will be the output of the program. Now you can see that this is now in two lines. Okay, so wherever you want to produce a new line, you can use this AND manipulator with the insertion operator, and always remember that no quotation marks will be added for this AND manipulator. Okay, now let's see the other manipulator, that is set width. For that purpose, I am including header file hash include iomanip .h. This header file will be included to add this set width function. And what is the function of set w? It will create it is used in output statement to set the minimum field width. Okay, it has the general form, like you can write it as set and set w and then number of any number you want to add as a field width. Okay, let's suppose if you set as field width 7, then you write here 7, and your field width will be 7, and from the rightmost side your character will be written as your text will be aligned from the right side in a same manner. Okay, let's use it in a program. Let's suppose if I write any data here, anything like cout, uh, cout, let's suppose int a is equal to 10 or 100, b is equal to 3000, c is equal to c is equal to 67009. I have used these three numbers. I have stored these three numbers, integers, in these a variable, b variable and c variable. Okay, and this 9 is actually the initialization, as I have provided them with the values also. Okay, now how set cout can be used with set w? Like you can write a is equal to set w, this insertion operator, set w, then if my number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 digits long, I can use 10 digits for it, 10 fields width, then a, the value will be taken from a. Okay, if I have adjusted the field width as 10, from the rightmost side of the field 900079, it will be written as it is, and this 0 will appear uh, uh, this sorry, if I have printed 100 first, then 3000, this 0 will be printed at this position and this 3 will be printed here. Okay, now let's check out the output of the program. I'm copying this, Control C, Control V and Control V, as I'm going for the three variables, and here is the need to use endl manipulator as well. Endl insertion point and end l, it is for the line feed, insertion operator, then end l. Now the field width is set as 10. The value of second variable will be taken from B and the third variable will be taken from C, and here I will print B and C. Now let's see what will be the output of our program. Execute, compile and run. Oops, iomanip.h. I need to remove this from here. File, save. Now you can see this A will be printed as here because I have not used any manipulator here with this hello world. With this I am alive. Now I will use handle manipulator here so that my A will print at the next line. Save, execute, compile and run, and L. File, save, execute, compile and run. Now you can see this A, B, C, and from the rightmost side it is all aligned. Okay, field width is set to 10 and all is aligned due to this set width variable, set width data. And if I do not use any set width manipulator, then 100, 3000, 69009 will be printed from the alignment of the left side, and from right side it will be unorganized. Okay, so whenever you are going to print your output, you can make your output in a good manner so that your output looks good. So keep trying these in your programs for better display and for better understanding. Thank you.